Hello, Moncescans, mga anak!
Are you ready for a new kitchen discovery?
Today we are going to make one of my family's favorite cookies, the Biscotti. I learned this recipe from one of my friends. Shout out to Adam B. Thanks so much for sharing this recipe from your nonna.
Let's begin by toasting a cup of coarsely chopped almonds. I use sliced almonds for this. Then, in a large bowl, we beat 2 eggs, add salt, 3/4 cup sugar, and then beat it until it's well combined. Pour in some vanilla, the vegetable oil, the zest of lemon. I added about a teaspoon, but you can add up to 1 tablespoon. Then add the toasted almonds. Mix well, and then add the flour and the baking powder. This smells really lemony. We mix it all up again, and then we put some flour on our board or on your counter, whichever. Just put the dough, and then we divide it into 2 pieces. The recipe makes 2 long rectangular pieces that you're going to shape, and it's about 35 cm by 7 cm. Let me know if you like biscotti. Comment down below and let me know if you enjoy it with tea, coffee, or something else. Remember to brush each loaf with the egg and milk wash and bake at 350 for about 20 minutes. This will be how it looks. Take the loaves out and cut them up into about 16 pieces each. Lower the heat of your oven to 300 degrees and then put them back in and toasting about 10 minutes on each side. This will be how it looks. Next time I make this, do you think it'll be a good idea to dip half of this in chocolate?
Let's taste the biscotti. It's really nice and crunchy, and you can taste the almonds and the lemon zest. If you get the chance, you should try making this too.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching.